Have you got an Isuzu DMAX X-Rider? All HSP accessories are out now, including the roller cover Series 3.5. Let's take a look. Our roll top is the only one in the world with 5 modes of operation, including the HSP app, which allows you to also do it via SIRI for Apple users, the LED touchpad, and it also works with your factory remote or your interior lock and unlock buttons. With water management in mind, our roll top drains at 60 litres per minute through our gutters and our 4-point drainage system. With an inbuilt horizon LED, it is the longest and brightest LED light of any roll top in the market. And with slim side rails, your X-Terrain Sports Bar ensures that it will mount directly at the top of your cab height. With the smallest canister on the market and 100% curtain retraction, this is the world's best and only 100% Australian-made and manufactured roll top. So that's a quick walkthrough of the roller cover Series 3.5 on the Isuzu DMAX X-Rider. Give us a call at 1300 441 498 or inquire on all of our social media or website to get yours today.